Welcome to my honest review of the XTB brokerage platform, where I'll give you a detailed breakdown of my real experience with it. If you're curious about whether XTB is the right fit for your trading journey, stick around because I'll cover everything from its pros and cons to key features and costs, all in simple, understandable language. Let's dive right into the details. XTB is a popular broker that offers a wide range of trading instruments, from Forex to commodities and stocks. One of its standout features is the XStation platform, known for its ease of use and powerful tools, ideal for both beginners and seasoned traders. The platform is also available on mobile devices, making it convenient to trade on the go. Now, let's talk about some of the advantages. First, XTB offers competitive spreads, ensuring that your transaction costs are minimized. Their customer support is also commendable, with 24/5 availability and multiple language options. Additionally, XTB offers free educational resources, which is a great way for beginners to get started in the world of trading. However, like any broker, XTB has some drawbacks. The withdrawal fees can be a bit high for certain methods, and while the platform has many advanced features, it might feel a little overwhelming for complete newcomers to trading. Now, speaking of the challenges in trading, are you tired of constantly analyzing the market and dealing with ups and downs? PrimeXBT provides a unique solution, allowing you to copy the trades of successful traders automatically. This means you can replicate their strategies without having to dive deep into market trends. All you need to do is register, make a deposit, and start copying trades. Getting back to XTB, the broker also stands out with its transparency. They clearly display all their fees on their website, and there are no hidden charges, which is crucial when choosing a broker. As for the variety of assets you can trade, XTB offers access to over 2,000 markets, including stocks, indices, Forex, and CFDs, giving you plenty of options to diversify your portfolio. Their educational tools are particularly helpful for beginners, offering webinars, tutorials, and market analysis to get you up to speed. One downside, though, is that XTB doesn't offer cryptocurrency trading, which some of you might be looking for in a modern broker. In terms of safety, XTB is regulated by major financial authorities like the FCA, ensuring your funds are protected. This is an important consideration when selecting a brokerage platform, especially if you're planning to invest significant amounts of money. All in all, XTB is a strong contender in the brokerage world, especially if you're looking for a well-rounded platform with excellent support and a vast range of assets to trade. Make sure you subscribe to the channel for more detailed reviews and trading tips. And if you liked this video, give it a thumbs up.